Welcome to the module 2, all right? And this module 2 would be continuation. And what we want to talk about today is simplifying problem spotting. So if your startup journey, if the beginning of your startup journey boils down to spotting problems, where do you begin? Who knew problems are an entrepreneur's best friend? And if spotting problems in the foundation, how do you spot them in the real world? Now, the fact is, it's not that complicated and doesn't require Einstein's genius. That's good news. Now, let's look at what Einstein has to say. If I were given 1 hour to save the planet, I would spend 59 minutes defining the problem and 1 minute resolving it. That is what the great Albert Einstein had to say about problems and saving the planet. I'm not sure if Avengers would agree to this. All right. So now, let's get back. Why is this insight so important? So for starters, it once again takes us back to the importance of mindset in entrepreneurship and life in general. The right mindset would methodically split the problem right down to the core, and understanding that solutions operate in chunks, you are able to create piece by piece and put together this jigsaw puzzle. Only when the puzzle is solved completely in your mind, you would proceed to execute. There are a million ways to spot problems. We are going to simplify them for you and share with you 10 proven ways to spot problems. All right? So you ready? Bear in mind that this is not the end-all, be-all list. You would find other ways which would be just as effective, but these are the 10 ways which I find to be the most accessible.